So what you're looking at is the HO scale layout. And for these open houses, the members usually bring their best trains. And look, it looks like we have a UP freight headed our way. I guess we'll take a look at it as it comes by. You can see on the channel, I did full layout tours of the HO scale layout and the N scale layout as well, which we'll look at here in just a second. Both of the layouts in the layout room here represent parts of California. They're sort of proto-Lance, but they do represent something that is not fictional. And if you look for it, you can see things that you might recognize. This is the station downtown, the Caltrain station downtown, also known as Diridon Station. Slightly compressed, but this is a good replica of it. It's another part of the HO layout. This lumber mill was an award-winning model that was put on the layout. Again, you can hear about this more on the official layout tours that we did here a while back. This area on the peninsula of the HO layout represents San Miguel, which is one of the mission cities in California. Oh my God, you never know who you'll run into at these things. Nice hands, Nick and Mr. Wiley.
Do I want to do a thing? What thing am I doing? Nick, what do you think about stuff?
I like stuff.
Stuff's pretty good, yeah?
Yeah, especially the gray stuff.
Yeah, hey, that stuff. It's good stuff, eh? Now we go to Alex. Where is he? Alex, what do you think about stuff?
Stuff is awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It comes in all types of shapes, sizes, price ranges. Stuff is just, gorgeous. You never know what to expect with stuff,
What's Alex running today?
Alex, what are you running today?
I'm not really running today. I'm just viewing the sites, getting to see different members' point of view on modeling, and get to have a great time here.
Excellent. Cut.
Okay, now we're looking at the N scale layout. Again, you can find a layout tour of this layout on the TSG Multimedia channel. Just search for SBHRS N scale layout. The N scale layout here is proto-Lance, but it's still loosely based on scenes from California. You can see here that there's an addition underway. This is going to be a logging branch and still under construction, as you can see. It's a long run all the way down here. This is going to become, if I remember right, I think it's going to become part of the Red Line. That's something that's an ongoing project right now. All right, so that's it from the layout room. We'll be back in about an hour. We're going to look at the business car and the interlocking tower next.